it comes to ROI, would you say that you guys got the ROI you were anticipating?
Well on our way. I'd say in some of the areas, yes. When we put it all together and we start getting, I guess as I talked about, 1 billion pounds of wax flows through the system. And if you can, one of the big, like there's AR, I mean, she's in a great spot. The GL stuff's just going to come live in the next little while. One of the places where we kind of went to the side was pulling in a lot of IoT data from one of the plants, and it's worth millions of dollars every %, right? And we're going to get some of those, because I sat down with the CEO and I said, look at what we're doing, look at the data we're providing the engineers. And it used to be where the engineers, that whole graph where it used to be 90% of the time gathering the data, 10% analyzing. Well, now I think it's 99% analyzing, 1% gathering the data. And when I sat down with John, the CEO, and he said, like, do you think we're gonna find better ways to run the plants? And my answer to him was the counter. It's like, do you think we run the plants perfect all the time? And we all obviously know that's not true. So it's all those things where, yeah, the ROI is there. There was no trouble even after showing the first stuff to go from the 20 users to the unlimited. So it's there, but it's good. It's an exponential curve is where the ROI is going. It's as we do more modules, it's not even close to what the cost of putting it in is. It's factors and factors.